officially a teenager. Card me, baby, card me. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I want to talk about our mortgage payoff progress. I got my notes. Let's dive in. So last time we talked, we had gotten our mortgage down to $22,602.06. So if you want to see an overall review of our 5-year detailed payoff progress, check out the video Eye in the Sky, where I go over all the intimate details, y'all. I tell you the wins, the fails, all of it. I use an amortization schedule, and I also have a new principle from debtfreecharts.com. I originally was using the debt-free one, which is free, but I really want to have it all be about the mortgage, y'all, because I want this thing gone. Okay, I want it gone. Let's talk about the basics. We purchased our first home together in 2007 for $50,000. And of course, we bought it from my husband's parents. So shout out to them, shout out to them. The interest was 7%. We had poor credit history. We were young, and and when I say me, I wasn't really being responsible with my credit reporting, and I failed to check to see if there were any things on my credit report that could be hurting me, any errors. I could have been disputing some things. I didn't. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, our minimum payment back then was $542.47. This was a 30-year mortgage. A lot of people, especially if you follow like the Dave Ramsey way, they encourage you to do a 15-year mortgage. Looking back, I really still am glad that we did the 30-year, because life be lifing, as I said in my last video, and I like knowing that we can comfortably pay our mortgage on time every month without having to make a very large payment. I'm happy with the 30-year overall. Now, our payment is divided into 3 sections. The first is our principal, our interest, and our escrow. We have a 1,000 square foot home, a modest townhome. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Like I said, we purchased it from family. Now, also, while we're on the mortgage payoff journey, we also took some time. We made a little pit stop, and we made some renovations, some upgrades to our home. It was a home built in the 50s, so it definitely needed some love. And so we first started with renovating our major upstairs bathroom. And it's a modest small bathroom, but still costly. We cash flowed that 2 years ago. And then this year, in the months of March and April, we cash flowed our entire lower level main area of the home, which included a full kitchen / dining area, a half bath, and a TV / laundry room. So we got all of that done. I'm gonna insert something here because it's beautiful. Like, when I tell you I don't even recognize my own home, I'm just really grateful that we were able to do this and still lower our mortgage payment, our mortgage overall. So the cool part is we were very young when we dove into our mortgage. We bought our home when we were about 21 years old, and back then we were making about $2,400 a month together. Our credit score was in the low 600s, and we had only been married about 2 years, but we were a dual income, no kid household. Our home back then, I can't really tell what it was worth that long ago, but I now know that even though we only paid $50,000 for it, plus interest, we now know that it is at least worth 3 times that, guys. So our home is now worth about $150,000, and I am just so happy with that number. I know that the housing market is off the hook right now, and truth be told, based on our upgrades, I really think it could be worth more than that, but it is also still in our very urban area, neighborhood. So anyway, it's perfect for having a tenant. So like I said, if you want to know how we did, if you're new to the whole home buying process, check out my previous video. It's really detailed. I promise you will not be disappointed. But for now, we're going to bring it current. We're going to bring it to how we're looking for, there goes my ambulance. Just to tell you how the debt snowball process works. It really can work for you. When we first started making our mortgage payments, initially we didn't really see much as far as our numbers going down. The payment was really ate up by our interest. We were paying almost $250 out of our $550 mortgage payment straight out the deck toward interest. Now we've swung it so that right now they're only able to take about $149 a month out of our total mortgage payment for interest. So at the start of January 2021, our mortgage balance was $28,788.95. Then by the end of March, we had gotten it down to $22,602.06, which is pretty much where we are like right now. So we went to the month of April and we were able to pay $1,280 toward our mortgage. Unfortunately, a lot of that still goes toward escrow and to interest, but it still did lower our balance down to $21,473.40. That was a total difference in our overall mortgage of $1,128.66. The rest of it all went to our mortgage and our escrow. So, okay. Here we go. Now let's talk about the month of May. You remember our starting balance, $21,473.40. In the month of May, I set a goal to get our mortgage down to $19,999.99. I wanted to be a mortgage teenager. Okay, I'm ready. We've been looking at this mortgage since 2007 and we're in 2021 now. So we have been inside of our mortgage loan for just under 14 years. We worked hard and we paid a total of $1,880 toward the mortgage. $1,880, which is basically $1,880.62 total, bringing us to a new balance, y'all. Okay, $19,992. I'm officially a teenager. Card me, baby, card me. I am so happy with our progress because if you remember in like some of my older videos, I got this budget planner from Sons and Roses a few months ago, and I have this goal like right in the front, okay? Right in the front. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right in the front. And for the month, in order to stay on track to pay off our mortgage completely by December 2021, we had to, on average, make payments totaling over $3,000. And for the month of May, we had to make a payment of $3,648.10. Whew, so excited I can't even talk. But because we have been so consistently hitting our mortgage, we've been able to avoid unnecessary interest. And so we actually did not have to pay $3,648 in the month of May to reach our goal. So we have made it to under $20,000 when our original goal to stay on track to pay this thing off by December meant that we had to get the mortgage down to $21,000 by this month. So at this point, we're $2,000 ahead, y'all. I am so happy. So anyway, that's how we're looking, and I highly recommend that if you are interested in purchasing a home, or if you're already inside of your mortgage, that you work hard to try to track your mortgage progress, because mortgages, they're a scam. They're a whole scam. Like, you should never have to pay that much to live somewhere. And thank goodness our mortgage is only $50,000, which is why we jumped ahead and decided to pay our mortgage off so that we could be mortgage free by the time we turn 40. A lot of our other debt that we had accumulated over the years, we were able to knock out, but we technically still owned our car, and we could have paid off our car first, But nah. We were like, we're gonna knock out the house, because the house and the car were sitting right neck and neck. I think we owed maybe $25,000 on our car, and we owed about $26,000 or $27,000 on our mortgage, and it just made sense to knock it out. So I'm so glad we did it. That was 2 years ago, and we got this thing down. And when I say it works, the snowball method really does work. I can't say that I am 100% team Dave Ramsey, because y'all, I'm buying a Tesla. So that shows you have to find what works for you and your family on your journey to debt freedom. And we are determined to still live our best lives on a budget, live within our means. And so we're still going to accomplish our goals, but also have fun. Okay, so the last piece of this that I wanted to share is the amortization schedule update. See how I'm looking at it with googly eyes? Okay, so welcome to my studio, my bed. We're gonna make this happen, okay? Mike is in the other room working, and I just want to get this done because I'm excited to see our progress. So here I went online to grab a free amortization schedule. You can do this for your mortgage loan, your car loan, your student loans, but what it does is it tracks your progress. So I made our initial start date September 2007, which is a month after we purchased our home. And what it does is it shows you how much you are paying in your total payment and how it breaks down between your principal and your interest. Now, the only thing is that this does not include escrow, so it's not exactly 100% accurate, but it still gives you a good overall view of how you're doing with your mortgage. So we have made quite a bit of progress. As you can see, it's been a long 13 years. And so we are coming forward to the month of May. So you can see here that we left off at March 31st, 2021, and we had jumped our mortgage and paid off enough so that we were 9 years and 2 months ahead on our mortgage payments. Technically, we would not have our mortgage down to $22,645.74 until May 2030. But now we are 9 years, 2 months ahead. Now with our current update bringing us down to $19,992, this means that we can come down to here. So even though this balance is too low, so we'll have to leave this for next time, we still get to shade in all of this progress. And y'all, this means that we are officially 10 years ahead on our 30-year mortgage. So I'm happy. I'm very happy with that. Technically, we should not have our mortgage down to $20,160.39 roundabout until May 2031, but we have accomplished all of that 10 years ahead of schedule. So let's fill that out. Okay, so that is how we're looking. Man, we are up to page 7 in our amortization progress. It feels really good. So next month we will for sure be able to shade this line in, and we will be on a fresh new page, which is page 8. And let's see how many more pages we have. Yo, we got 2 more pages. We got 2 more pages worth of mortgage loan debts. Oh, I cannot wait to get this done. We are officially teenagers. Can you imagine like us getting our mortgage down from like $19,000 all the way down to single, oh my gosh, to $9,000? Oh my gosh, that would be so beautiful. And I'm not going to say wouldn't it, because we're going to. But I will put in a photo somewhere here of our mortgage form filled in. I just need to fill it in and shade it in. And that's it. That is how we are looking so far for our mortgage payoff progress. And I can't wait. I can't wait to share another update with you guys in an upcoming video. Time to fill this in. Okay. So if you enjoyed that type of content, let me know in the comments below. If you are on your own journey to pay off your mortgage, let me know in the comments if you have started, and if you have any questions. I can try to help with the knowledge that I have learned through the years by speaking to other homeowners. And if you are on the journey to become a homeowner for the first time, please check out my previous video. I think it'll be very helpful so that you kind of know what things to look out for in your home buying process. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budget.